Hi, this is Dhanmondi and I'm a student of 19th batch in Pastry and Bakery department. Before entering into this course, I had not adequate knowledge on baking, but now I have learned a lot more new techniques which I did not know while baking. So the course have helped me to learn many new techniques with which I can move forward with my passion of baking, and I believe if you are passionate about baking, so you should enter in this course because this will help you in the long run to achieve your goals. So I would suggest everyone, if you are looking for professional course in baking or any other course, they have variety of course, you should at least visit once Yes Tourism and Hotel Management Institute. I believe all the courses here offers many professional techniques with which you can move forward and can make your career in hotel management department. So for me it was a great journey, and I believe you will also have a great journey towards. Thank you so much.